Hey y'all, Chief here. As you can tell by this, well, terrible footage, apparently my GoPro's over here flopping around and it's just not doing too well. I mean, by the audio you can tell that it sounds terrible. I'm thinking about going up buying me a Bluetooth for the thing. You know, connect it through Wi-Fi and it'll sound a lot more better. Because apparently this thing only really records by what it touches. So, for example, on my last video, whenever I was touching my helmet, since I was touching the dirt bike, it got the sound from my dirt bike. And I can't really explain me and my sister talking, but oh well. It's pretty bad, the footage. I wish it was better though. But I will be going up probably buy me a new mount for my little car here. And I'm not going to be showing it in this video, but whenever my car, or whenever I was, well, apparently whenever my car was done riding, I wasn't done driving the little thing around, but apparently my car was. And apparently it just, I think maybe I have broke the clutch or broke the gears. I have no idea. It was just sitting there. I'd rep it up and go ring, ring without it even going. So I think that maybe, and then I looked in there was smoke. I mean, it wasn't a fire or anything, I just saw smoke. So this is just really the good clips. Alright, enjoy them. I'm going to be making another one later. Oh my lord. Holy crap. That was pretty neat. These GoPros can sure take a hit. I should probably go throw in a pool or something. I might do that next time.